In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dropbox Transfer, large files, on Dropbox.com. If you need to send big files quickly without sharing an entire folder or giving ongoing access, Dropbox Transfer is designed for that. It sends a copy of your files so your originals stay safe and unchanged, and recipients can download without needing a Dropbox account. Start by heading to Dropbox.com and signing in. On the left sidebar, look for the small grid icon. Click it, then choose Transfer. This opens the dedicated transfer area where everything is organized around one-time shareable packages of files. Next, click Create Transfer. You'll see a clean workspace where you can build the package you want to send. Now it's time to add your content. You have three simple options. Drag files directly from your computer into the window, click Upload Files to browse your device, or choose Add from Dropbox to include items that are already in your account. You can mix and match, add multiple files, and even large files, depending on your plan. Think of it like assembling a bundle that will be delivered as a single, convenient download. Before you finalize, look for the gear icon to customize a few important settings. Set an expiration date to control how long the link will work. This is helpful if you only want the transfer available for a limited time. Add a password if you need extra security, and make sure to share that password with your recipient through a secure channel. You can also enable download notifications, which is great for tracking. Dropbox will let you know when someone has accessed your transfer, so you don't have to chase for confirmation. When everything looks right, click Create Transfer. You'll get two straightforward ways to share it. If you choose Copy Link, Dropbox gives you a unique URL you can paste into a message, chat, or any platform you prefer. If you select Send Email, you can enter your recipient's addresses and an optional note, and Dropbox will send the download link for you. Either way, the recipient receives a simple page where they can download the files in just a couple of clicks. That's all there is to it. You've built a secure, time-bound package, customized its settings, and shared it in the way that works best for you. Remember, because a transfer sends a copy, later changes to your originals won't affect what's already been sent. For one-off deliveries, especially with large files, Dropbox Transfer is a fast, reliable solution.